Ladies and gentlemen, friends, fellow citizens of this restless age, let me speak to you plainly, from the heart, for 5 minutes that might just change how you see the world we're building. We are living deep inside what we now call the attention economy. And make no mistake, it is not some neutral marketplace of ideas. It is a machine powered by artificial intelligence algorithms whose entire purpose is to maximize minutes, clicks, and dopamine hits. These algorithms don't reward truth. They don't reward nuance. They reward whatever can hook the largest herd, fastest. They reward the loudest, the simplest, the most emotionally contagious message. And so, content creators, podcasters, influencers, journalists, even politicians quickly learn the lesson. This is a popularity contest. Nothing more. The same ruthless playground logic we all survived in middle school, where the cool kids set the tone and everyone else fell in line or got ignored. Only now the cool kids are billion-dollar recommendation engines and the stakes are civilization itself. Yet here is the quiet, stubborn truth that no algorithm will ever admit. Humanity's greatest strength has never been uniformity. It has always been our difference. The outlier, the eccentric, the immigrant with the strange accent, the neurodivergent thinker who sees patterns no one else notices. These are not inconveniences. These are our insurance policy against the unknown. Because the future is not a straight road, it is a storm. A black swan hurricane of pandemics, technologies, wars, and discoveries we cannot yet name. When that storm hits, the herd that marches in perfect lockstep is the first to be swept away. The people who were told they were too different, the ones DEI initiatives once protected and elevated, are often the very ones who spot the lifeboat, build the parachute, or simply refuse to follow the crowd off the edge. Diversity is not a slogan. It is evolutionary genius. That is why the growing movement to dismantle DEI, diversity, equity, and inclusion in our workplaces, universities, government agencies, and especially here in the United States and every other democratic society, is not progress. It is civilizational suicide. When we strip away the deliberate effort to keep different voices at the table, we are not getting back to merit. We are narrowing the table until only one narrow type of mind remains. And into that vacuum pour the very forces that profit from sameness. The AI algorithms now being trained on our collective data, optimized to serve the majority, and the attention-hungry audience that keeps rewarding the echo chamber. Think about it. Every time you scroll, every time you watch the next hot take, the algorithm learns. Give them more of what the herd already likes. Punish the uncomfortable voice. Amplify the comfortable lie. Soon the consuming public, us, internalizes the lesson too. Certain ways of life become the only acceptable ways of life. Certain opinions become dangerous. Certain people become invisible. Conformity becomes comfort, and comfort becomes the new conformity. So let me leave you with the question that keeps me awake at night. If every creator, every institution, every citizen is trained by these machines to think and speak and live exactly like the herd, what happens when that herd decides to run? We already know the answer. We've seen the nature documentary 1,000 times. The lemmings follow their instincts, shoulder to shoulder, faster and faster until the cliff edge appears, and they keep running, straight into the vast, cold ocean. Not because any single lemming wanted to die, but because none of them could see anything except the backs of the ones in front. My friends, we are not lemmings. We are human beings gifted with difference precisely, so we can survive the moments when the herd is wrong. Do not let the attention economy, dressed up in silicon and dopamine, convince you otherwise. Do not let anyone, left, right, or algorithm, tell you that ending DEI is strength. It is the sound of us all lining up at the cliff's edge, cheering. The future belongs to the society brave enough to stay diverse when the machines scream for sameness. The question is, will we be that society, or will we simply follow the herd all the way down? Thank you.